Good morning, Savorers. It's a cool, breezy 55 degrees this morning. Hazy. We were actually talking about going to Long Beach today, but I think we are changing our minds. I think it's 60 degrees out there, it's supposed to be today, and breezy and cold. So we may head up the gorge and do a hike. Angel's Rest came up, so we'll see. But we're just going to kind of take the day as it goes. And the quote for the day, though: in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Yeah, I think that's really true. See a house for sale. Okay. I think anytime I'm out walking, for me it's a kind of a great way to start the day, or just get outside and take a break from work, and just kind of reconnecting with being a human. It's like the roses are kind of dying in the neighborhood. I love this. Slow down. Drive like your kids live here. Are heading out. Got trusty Jack, dirty a little bit in the back. Tanya's going, "Don't show them that."
It's Jack.
This is Jack. So
he's the utility chief.
He's our main heavy lifter now. After the PE thing, he's elevated into a new realm of importance.
Well, he's been through remodels.
Yeah, he's
dogs.
Man, he's hauled a lot of stuff over the years. Three remodels we've done.
Skiing,
hiking, kind of anything and everything. Boating, kayaking, all the dirty work, and camping. But we are heading out to Frontier, one of our favorite restaurants around, that for brunch, and then we are heading up to Angel's Rest.
No, I don't know if we're doing Angel's Rest.
We're not sure if we're doing Angel's Rest, so I guess we have changed our minds since our discussion last night.
I said we'd look.
We would look. Oh, okay. I didn't hear.
Look at the maps over breakfast.
Oh, I didn't hear that. So that's the stuff going on in Tanya's head that I don't get to hear all the time. So.
I just said it.
All right, we had brunch and heading up Highway 14. Here's Cape Horn trailheads around here. Just beautiful vista. Looks like the clouds may burn off up the gorge a little bit, so we might be in the sun. Yeah, if you're ever looking for a hike, Beacon Rock is really cool. It's just this rock that comes out right out of the water in the gorge, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It just kind of stands alone. And there's a guy years ago that owned it, and he essentially, I believe, one-handedly built the whole trail. And there's a lot of concrete and metal bars up there, so I'm guessing he used mules or something, but I think he did it by himself, if I remember the story correctly. But a great view, great hike. Pretty busy though. So there 2 years ago, there was a big fire started by a kid that playing with firecrackers on a trail. Just burnt up, especially the Oregon side. So anything that you see is brown and not green is dead from that fire. Just amazing. We drove up here during that fire on Highway 14 to pick up Max, I think it was. And you could barely... Oh, take a dog out. That's right. We're driving to Denver. Or to Salt Lake to get the dog to Denver. But it was pretty rough driving through here even. So if you can imagine this all smoky, and you can see the flames on the other side. Here's Bonneville Dam. So here's a little more Bonneville Dam. Kind of a neat thing if you're looking for something to do. You can actually go in. There's a museum, I think it is, but there's the fish ladders that are really cool. You're actually seeing fish swim up through the dam to spawn up north. And I'm guessing a lot of fishing going on right now. All the cars along the side. Okay, we're coming up on Wind River and Carson. If you know Backwoods Brewing, they're up to the left there. Cool little brewery. And we have broken into the sun here pretty consistently. Nothing. This is actually kind of common. Portland may be socked in, but upriver, it's open, or vice versa, actually. So we are in sun and looking for a good vista. The app is telling us we're about 7 minutes away from our final destination. So we'll be there in a second. You can really see the fire, just the line where fire went up the mountain, burning trees. So it is breezy up here today, but kind of a warm, kind of a cool breeze. So decent parking lot, not many people up here. It's about, what, 2.5 miles in. Pretty decent incline, or 1,000. Oh, Tanya's getting the app out. That's a really cool app. What is it, the name of it?
All Trails.
All Trails. So it pulls up the map. There's a map of the walk, and it actually tracks you just like you're in a car with your Google Maps on.
So it's 1,100 foot elevation gain in 2.3 miles.
So about 5 miles round trip. Be a nice little...
Actually, it's 1,100 foot elevation gain in half of that because we're going up and then down.
Oh, okay, that's true.
Okay. Yeah, at 1.2 miles we're at the top. So it is 2.3. Oh, that's a short.
That's a short hike.
Short little hike.
So, reason to get outside and breathe a little fresh air. Here's the trailhead marker. On that app it said that there is no trailhead marker. There's a stowaway seed sign. So if you're out here, and then wipe your feet off as you're coming out, or going in, probably both. I don't know if you can see that. It's in the shadow. Right over here. It's like a baby quail or something.
Yeah, it looks like it. Is it not a dove?
And there's Mama. Is that a grouse?
Come on, bird people, help us out here.
Yeah. If you know what that is. Oh, there's another baby up the trail. Whoa. She is savoring the sunlight, I think.
She is protecting her babies from us.
It does drop down pretty quick. windy up here. The other side is warm and still. Just sit on rocks over there. This is breeze blowing. Gorgeous view though. It feels good to kind of cool down a little bit. Pretty steep. Not a bad climb at all.
No.
Kind of gravelly in places. I went down on my butt one time, but more for I was going to go down, so we'll just slide it and ride it. So, but beautiful hike. Definitely recommend it.
Look at that beautiful Columbia River Gorge behind us.
Yeah, I know. And you can see around the bend actually, which is pretty unusual. Tanya is making one of her favorite salads, caprese salad. Sliced tomato, sliced mozzarella, basil leaves, and then she does something really good. What do you, is it lemon oil or just lemon?
Just lemon zest. Because when we had it, they had a lemon oil, and we didn't have lemon oil, so I said, well, I'll just put lemon zest on it, and it ended up being pretty good.
Yeah, this is phenomenal. A little salt, a little black pepper.
No pepper.
No.
Well, that might not be bad, though.
Yeah.
And I put a little bit of, let me get it. I can't remember what it's called. So it started with just some olive oil, some nice olive oil going on it. And then I started playing with it, and I found the honey ginger white balsamic vinegar as well gets drizzled. And the combination of those with the lemon.
Phenomenal.
Really good.
Yeah. Okay, dinner tonight is super simple. So Tanya made the caprese, and then we're just going to grill this Italian sausage. Put it into patties, or you can put them into sausage shapes if you wanted. Romaine, we're just going to split it, rinse out. Don't cut the bottom off. So all the leaves you're going to hold together, just rinse it under the water, and then sprinkle a little olive oil on it. We're going to put it on the grill. It's phenomenal. You wouldn't believe it. And then probably, since we've got a lemon that needs to be used, we'll squeeze half a lemon juice on top, or the best salad dressing in the world. And should be a nice meal. Okay, so we just put the patties on. See how this is charring up? That's really nice. Just took a little salt and olive oil to it. It'll start wilting and just charred. Really nice flavor. You can do a bunch of these and make a big old Caesar salad too, which is really tasty. And let's check these. Nice grill marks. Good to go. So there's the charred romaine with a little lemon and salt, and a couple Italian sausage patties, and a couple capreses. And it is dinner time. Cheers. Well, after a good dinner and sun's kind of going down here, we are having a fake fire pit. A little windy for a real embers flying fire tonight, but nothing better than fire. And we will go back to that Wind River. It's not one. It's a hike I'd never heard of before. It's a little bit off Highway 14, and Tanya had a bit of a magical moment up there, so we will return.